If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here, and welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Review, where today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new, at least for me, the Jinhao 159, the XL. Totally different than your regular 159 fountain pen. Okay, so down here I'm going to show you a few pens. Here's your black 159 and your blue. They come in many different colors. Now these are all metal, and they're heavy, and we'll weigh them out in a second. But here is a new addition to the family. Beautiful maroon. Comes with a twist-off cap. Look at this beautiful nib. If you can get really a good look at that, Mr. Announcer, they're getting a really close-up look at this nib. It's a monster lip. So let me just compare nibs for you to show you. The left is the brand new XL 159. Look at that nib compared to the nib here. And that's an Anderson nib that I put in there one time. But I'll get you another one. That will fit in there just fine. And here's the Jinhao nib, same difference. Just look at that. You got a beautiful nib on this side going on. And when you write with this pen, you're going to tell it off the bat. Can you tell the difference, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
Yeah, big major improvement on the pen. Pen's about $9, free shipping. So, again, as you can see, beautiful pen. And the clip has changed a lot too. They used to have the Jinhao little logo up here on the clip. Now they don't. Beautiful colors. Alright, now the blue one and the black are your regular basic Jinhao 159. And they come in weighing about 48.4. Geez, that's the weight on them. So then we go to the latest new model that's out. And it weighs in about 26.6 G's. Now, this pen has a fine 0.5 millimeter nib. The nib length on here is 40 millimeters. Extended iridium nib. Now the material you use in this pen is acrylic, and then of course you have the metal base, silver accessories that go with it, blah blah blah. And the length of the pen is 146 millimeters. The diameter of the pen is 11.7 millimeters, coming down with a weight, like I just said, about 26.6 G's. That's just a pen. Brand new, never used. Really, they've done a nice job. But as you will know, these are a bit heavy. People say they like them. Some say they don't like them. They're too heavy. For me, I love them. But this pen actually blew these pens away. Not making these a bad deal, because they're still great pens. But this is really nice. So, what do you say? We'll take off the cap. And we'll remove the barrel. And it's acrylic. Beautiful made. I do have some ink in it. Of course I have to be using it. Dun 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 dun. And we'll just put this back up and get ready. Dun dun. Really, really sweet pen. Well, I'm glad I own it. As long as you're happy, that's what counts. Look at that beautiful, large nib. That is awesome. And the feed just really, they did a good job putting this paper together. A really good job. It's going to be the actual same size as the regular 159. And of course it has that nice gold band around the bottom of the cap with the XL159 on it. And of course the Jinhao logo on it. But it doesn't have the Jinhao logo, the little carriage up here on the clip. In cigar shape, really nice cap going all the way down to the bottom of the barrel here, and it kind of tapers off. So for those people who like to pose with pens, it will pose just fine. And it's not top heavy, it's a light pen, but it's not so light that you won't be able to control it, that it would be uncomfortable. It's just the right amount of weight. They did a great job in creating such a beautiful, magnificent fountain pen for the money. One can say what they want, they can agree, disagree, and I respect that. But this is just my opinion. So let's get going here, and we're going to see and show you how this pen writes. And it's up to you, it's your money. Okay. I hate that when it does that. Okay. A little wet test here. It just lays down that ink like it's nobody's business. Look at that. Now we'll try reverse. Okay. And you do get some different line variation. Yeah, really just a nice writer. So, okay, I'm going to be dipping this in the same ink I've used the Jinhao LX159. I think I have enough ink. And that's also a fine nib, but I give it more to a fine medium. Nice wet nib as well. I've always loved these pens. Now, okay, downstroke and the cross stroke. Now we'll bring this one back. Here is the downstroke. LX and the cross stroke. And we'll do them side by side. And downstroke. You can see a different line variation there. Cross stroke. I better put the lid on this. Okay. I've been known to turn them over. Well, I'm having a good day today. I'm in my prime, what, 28? Don't be late. And lovely. You can tell a difference in the line variation for sure. Folks, that's going to wrap it up for today. You tell me your thoughts on this LX159. I think it's a monster. Darn good deal. $9 off eBay. Free shipping, and they have other colors as well. So I may have to get me a blue one, maybe different color ones. I really, really like them. And you know what's so cool about these pens? You can take out the nibs so easy. I believe the friction fit, just pull them out and put a number 6 in if you want, because I've got a Anderson nib in this one. So I've had a lot of fun with them. This is how I got started with these pens. This is what led me to the Mont Blanc 149. And I love every minute I use them. Really, I do not have any complaints about it. None whatsoever. Nothing negative. They've been good to me since I've been buying them since, what, 2015? And I've given a lot of these pens away. Like old Joe said, pass it forward. I have. So, again, thank you for joining me on my channel today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, but you've watched my video, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that little bell, and it's going to ding-dong you to death that I have a video on. So we have lots and lots of catch-up to do on reviewing. And this is today my first major dent to do this. And right now, thank God, I'm feeling groovy. And I'm excited because this is what I love to do. You know, everybody has their own way of doing reviews. That's cool. Everybody likes their own reviewers. That's cool. I'm not trying to copy anybody, be like anybody else, because I'm me. And that's all there is to it. So, and I believe that's going to do it for today. Again, happy Halloween, and we are going to be putting out some very cool, awesome Halloween videos. I think I'll use Mr. Announcer's face to be scary. All right, my folks. I think it's time to go watch Rag Train, or Leave It to Beaver, or the Andrew Griffith Show, or some monster movies.
I found this on the web.
Thank you, series. Goodbye. So anyway, and if by chance you haven't seen the new Minion movie, you need to check it out. Good stuff. What other movie was it we saw? Scary movie?
I don't remember which one it was. We've seen several.
Several. Okay, well, I'm done gabbing, and God willing, we're going to try to be here tomorrow. If not, tomorrow's Thursday, for sure Friday. And we've had some few burglaries going on here at the house, with the truck, then with the car. It's been one thing after another. So, peace, love, kisses and hugs to each and every one of you. You guys definitely rock, baby. Yes. Bye.